In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a template on Acuity. Whether you're looking to spruce up your scheduling page or simply want to make your booking process more branded and engaging, you've come to the right place. Let's dive right in with a step-by-step guide that will have your template up and running in no time. First things first, begin by navigating to the Acuity scheduling website. This is where the magic starts. Once you're there, you'll see the login button prominently displayed. Give this a click to start the process. Now the next step is crucial for accessing your account. You'll need to type in your email address. Make sure it's the one you used to sign up for Acuity so you can easily retrieve any necessary information and ensure a smooth login process. After entering your email, go ahead and hit Next. This will take you one step closer to accessing your account. Now, for an even more streamlined experience, click on Continue with Google. This option is perfect for those who enjoy the convenience of quickly logging in with their Google account, bypassing the need to remember another password. Upon clicking Continue with Google, you'll be prompted to select your Google account. Choose the one linked to your Acuity profile. Now here comes the fun part. You're almost at the point where you can begin to personalize your scheduling page. Once you're logged in, it's time to navigate to the scheduling page. Here's where you'll start to see the fruits of your labor. Next, you'll want to click on Appearance to begin customizing the look and feel of your scheduling interface. This is your chance to make a great first impression on your clients. So be thoughtful about your choices here. Now let's get to the core of today's tutorial, uploading your template. Navigate to the description area within the Appearance tab. This is where you can really start to customize your page to match your branding and style. Look for the Insert Image button here. This little button is your gateway to bringing your visual elements onto the page. Go ahead and click on Insert Image. This will open a dialog box that allows you to upload your template image from your computer. Browse through your files and select the image you've prepared for your scheduling page. This image could be a logo, a banner, or any graphical element that aligns with your brand identity. Once you've chosen your image and it's uploaded, you're almost at the finish line. The next and final step is to click on Save Changes. This will apply all your customizations, including the newly uploaded template image, to your scheduling page. And there you have it. You've successfully uploaded a template to your Acuity scheduling page. Before you call it done, take a moment to review your page. Make sure everything looks as you expected and that the template adds to the visual appeal of your scheduling process. Remember, your scheduling page is often one of the first interactions clients have with your brand. A well-designed page can not only enhance user experience, but also reinforce your brand identity and professionalism. So take pride in this small but significant touch point with your clients. I hope this guide has made the process clear and straightforward for you. Don't hesitate to experiment with different templates until you find the perfect match for your brand. If you found this tutorial helpful, remember to like, share and subscribe for more tips and tricks on making the most of your online tools and resources. Thank you for watching and happy scheduling.